नमस्ते बिटिया, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I am Dr. Bharat Sharma, Assistant Professor, Department of Pathology, Faculty of Homeopathic Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Today's topic is neoplasia. Nomenclature and classification. The term neoplasia means new growth, the new grow. Satisfactory definition of a neoplasm or tumor is a mass of a tissue formed as a result of abnormal, excessive, uncoordinated, autonomous, and purposeless proliferation of cells even after cessation of stimulus from growth which caused it. Neoplasm may be benign when they are slow growing and localized without causing much difficulty to the host, or malignant when they proliferate rapidly, spread throughout the body, and may eventually cause death of the host. The common term used for all malignant tumor is cancer. Hippocrates coined the term keratoconus for cancer of the breast. The word cancer means crab, thus reflecting the true character of cancer since it sticks to the part stubbornly like a crab. The product is called neoplasm or tumor. All tumors, benign as well as malignant, have two basic components. Parenchyma, comprised by proliferating tumor cells. Parenchyma determines the nature and evolution of the tumor. Suppurative stroma, composed of fibrous connective tissue and blood vessels, it provides the framework on which the parenchymal tumor cells grows. The tumors derived their nomenclature on the basis of the parenchymal component comprising them. The suffix "oma" is added to denote benign tumors. Malignant tumors of epithelial origin are called carcinomas, while malignant mesenchymal tumors are named sarcomas. However, some cancers are composed of highly and undifferentiated cells and are referred to as undifferentiated malignant tumors. This broad generalization regarding nomenclature of tumor usually holds true in majority of instances. Some example contrary to this concept are melanoma for carcinoma of the melanocytes, hepatoma for carcinoma of the hepatocytes, lymphoma for malignant tumor of the lymphoid tissue, and seminoma for malignant tumor of the testis. Leukemia is the term used for the cancer of blood forming cells. Special category of tumors. First is mixed tumors. A few examples are as under. Adenosquamous carcinoma is the combination of adenocarcinoma and squamous cell carcinoma in the endometrium. Adenocanthoma is the mixture of adenocarcinoma and benign squamous element in the endometrium. Carcinosarcoma is the rare combination of malignant tumor of the epithelium and of mesenchymal tissue such as in thyroid. Collision tumor is the term used for morphologically two different cancer in the same organ which do not mix with each other. Mixed tumor of the salivary gland is the term used for benign tumor having combination of both epithelial and mesenchymal tissue elements. Teratomas. These tumors are made up of a mixture of various tissue types arising from totipotent cells derived from three germ cell layers: ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Most common site for teratomas are ovaries and testes, but they occur at extragonadal site as well as mainly in the middle of the body, such as in the head and neck region and mediastinum, retroperitoneum, sarcococcygeal regions. Teratoma may be benign or mature. Most of the ovarian teratomas or malignant or immature. Most of the testicular teratomas. Blastomas or embryomas. Blastomas or embryomas are a group of malignant tumor which arise from embryonal or partially differentiated cell which would normally form blastema of the organ and tissue during embryogenesis. These tumors occur more frequently in infants and children under 5 years of age. Some examples of such tumors in this age group are neuroblastoma, Wilms tumor, nephroblastoma, Wilms tumor, hepatoblastoma, retinoblastoma, medulloblastoma, and pulmonary blastoma. Hamartomas. Hamartomas is benign tumor which is made up of mature but disorganized cell of tissue indigenous to the particular organ. The examples are hematoma of the lungs consist of mature cartilage, mature smooth muscle, and epithelium. Choriostoma. Choriostoma is the name given to the ectopic island of normal tissue. Thus, choriostoma is the heterotopia but is not a true tumor, though it sounds like one. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. I hope you all enjoyed this session. If you have any query, please mention it in comment box. Thank you.